What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on NOC, because from this previous sideways channel there was again a pretty crazy pump, and in this video I will tell you about another exact trading setups that I'm currently watching on this coin. So if you are interested in that, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 30-minute time frame. The main area that I'm currently watching here is this bullish order block, which is between level 0.008058 and 0.008769. Also, you can see that the RSI is currently really overbought, because we are on the level approximately like 80.46. So I think that after this big pump, there is now definitely a time for some retracement. And to open here that long position, I am watching here this potential bullish order block. Me personally, before I'm entering here a long trade, I want to see here first of all breakdown, fake out, and then again a support confirmation. And the best case scenario will be in case of a liquidity grab under also these two previous lows. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So yeah, entry will be somewhere in this bullish order block after support confirmation. Stop loss somewhere under like of these two previous lows. And the last take profit target you can place either to this current high. It's not the all-time high, because the all-time high is somewhere in these levels. But I think that we can, let's say, speculate here for really big take profit target. So yeah, because this is such a risky trade, you can speculate here for higher risk to reward. So let's say something around 20, maybe 15, something like that. So yeah, in this case you can also take here multiple take profit targets and still have here absolutely amazing risk reward ratio. So yeah, that's currently the main scenario that I'm currently watching on this coin. And to this order block to be reached, there needs to be a drop around like 25-26%. But as you can see, this coin is pretty volatile, and for example this 30-minute candle had like 13%. So yeah, I think that if there will be some dump on the whole market, then I think that definitely this coin can reach these lower levels. If we take a look on the 4-hour chart, you can see that this coin is relatively new, and right now we are almost in the price discovery phase, because this like 4-hour candle, like when the coin was launched, yeah, there was a really big pump, but the candle itself closed around like 0.06814. So we can technically say that right now we are in the all-time high, or at least in the price discovery phase. So yeah, the potential limit order that I showed you on that 30-minute chart is the main setup that I'm currently watching, because right now if you want to open here, for example, a long position like right here, let's say the best area where you can put your stop loss is, for example, like under this previous low, something like that. But let's say the risk reward ratio then is not gonna be that good, and you need to speculate here for really big returns. And I don't think that this coin can anytime soon, for example, reach the current all-time high. So yeah, me personally, I'm preferring to have here trades with, let's say, higher risk, so let's say lower stop loss, and then better risk reward ratio. So yeah, I'm planning here to trade here these smaller time frames. Another thing that this coin is forming is this potential, let's say, uptrend. So if we are gonna test this area, there will be a breakdown, fake out, and then again a support confirmation. This can be another decent opportunity for a long trade. Stop loss in this case again under the low that we will create during the fake out, and the last take profit targets you can place again based on the risk reward ratio, because as I said, right now we are almost in the price discovery phase. But I need to say that still I like more here the long scenario from these order blocks, because I think that trading order blocks is better than, for example, trading such of these setups, especially if we are on the 30-minute chart. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. If you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to know about all the altcoins that I'm currently watching, definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, because I'm sharing there those analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all for me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.